Yo, what's up, guys? We're back. It's been like a month. We got some ASAP Rocky on CD, some singles. We got Stole Ya Flow, 3D, oh no, Helicopter 2, Black Demarco, and Punk Rocky. Alright, I'm gonna start off with Black Demarco. Haven't actually heard this song, but these things were only $4 a piece, which is insanely cheap. But they were cheap because they were singles, so they're singles, so they're gonna be cheap. But yeah, all that is, it's just an insert, it's just one piece of paper, and then there's the CD. I like these because they remind me of PS2 games. Pretty cool. All right, next one is Stole Ya Flow. There's the back. All right. There's the CD. And again, it's just a paper insert. Now I'm going to take it out. Next one is Helicopter. There's the back. All right. And last but not least, Punk Rocky. Now, I love this song. It's very different from what he's made in the past. That's the main reason why I bought these, was because of this single, because I really like that song. But yeah. All right. Well, that's all of the ASAP Rocky singles for now, at least. See ya.